Hi everyone, now we will begin with the example session on the chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. Alright, it was a brief chapter, it was an easy chapter. Now we will focus on the questions. So let's start. Which of the following is not a method of conservation? Afforestation, deforestation, wildlife conservation, recycling. Afforestation is just like reforestation. Deforestation is not a method of conservation. What is the term used for the removal of trees from forests? Okay, what is the term used for the removal of trees from forest? It is deforestation, right? Deforestation leads to what? Decreased soil erosion, increased biodiversity, loss of habitat, reduced greenhouse gas emissions. So it leads to loss of habitat for animals, birds, all the biodiversity. It results in a loss of habitat. Which of the following is an example of reforestation? Alright, this is an example of reforestation. Planting new trees in a deforested area, logging trees for commercial purposes, clearing forest, building roads. So it is option A, planting new trees in deforested area. Which of the following is a method of conserving forest and wildlife? Alright, so conserving forest and wildlife. Deforestation, wildlife trade, national parks, or pollution. It is national parks. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Wildlife trade means trading animals for profit. And pollution, you all know. Wildlife sanctuaries are established for what? Promote hunting activities, protect endangered species, encourage deforestation, or encourage tourism. It is protect endangered species, right? So I have a wildlife sanctuary to protect the species, not have more people there, not cut more trees, not hunt more, right? Recycling of paper helps in what? Reducing paper production, increasing deforestation, decreasing waste generation, destroying natural habitats. So the correct option is reducing paper production. Alright, it will help me reduce the production of paper on large scale, cutting of trees and all that. Alright, which of the following is not a national park in India? Not a national park. Jim Corbett, Kanha National Park, Sundarbans National Park, or Mumbai National Park. So we all know Mumbai is a city, it is not a national park, it is the Mumbai. Project Tiger was launched to protect what? Endemic species, endangered species, marine life, birds. It was launched to protect tigers, right? So tigers were an endangered species. They had come down to a very low number. What does the term endemic means? So in the lecture I told you about what does endemic means. Species found only in specific areas, species found worldwide, species found in national parks, species found in oceans. So it is A, only in specific areas, only in specific geographical areas, right? Species found worldwide, no. For example, a worldwide species would be pigeons, alright, found in a lot of places, right? Found in national parks, no, not only in national parks, it is found in a particular geographical area. Found in ocean, no. Which of the following is an example of an endangered species which has low numbers? Lion, rat, cockroach, peacock. It is A, lion. Alright, lion is an endangered species. Which book provides information on endangered species? Blue data book, red data book, green data book, yellow data book. It is red data book. Which of the following is a consequence of deforestation? Okay, consequence of deforestation. Increased biodiversity, soil erosion, improved air quality, enhanced water supply. It is a consequence of deforestation. It is soil erosion. Okay, we lose soil. Okay, there is no grip on the soil due to loss of roots, right? Which of the following is not a method of conserving plants and animals? Not a method, alright? Wildlife sanctuary, conservation, breeding, pollution, reforestation. It is pollution. What is the process of planting trees called? Afforestation, deforestation, reforestation, afforestation. It is reforestation. Which of the following is not a type of forest? Tropical rainforest, coniferous forest, deciduous forest, urban forest. Urban forest is not a type of forest. Urban is cities. What is the purpose of a wildlife sanctuary? To promote hunting, to protect wildlife, to cultivate endangered species, to encourage deforestation. It is to protect wildlife and their habitats. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Renewable means it is replenished. Okay, by nature. Fossil fuels, minerals, solar energy, natural gas. It is C. Solar energy. Solar energy is abundant. Which of the following is again not a national park? Kaziranga National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Tadoba National Park, or Amazon National Park. Amazon is a forest. Okay, Amazon is a forest cover, and it is in South America. Which animal is associated with Project Tiger? Lion, elephant, tiger, rhino. It is simple, it is tiger. What is the term used for a species found only in a specific geographical area? I've told you. Endangered, red listed, endemic, keystone. It is endemic. Now, what is the main objective of Project Tiger? Alright, protecting tigers and their habitats, promoting wildlife trade, creating more zoos, or reducing pollution. It is clearly protecting tigers and their habitats. What is the purpose of the Red Data Book? What does the Red Data Book do? If you remember, I told you in the lectures, the Red Data Book keeps a log of all the endemic species, the endangered species, the vulnerable, the threatened, so that we can have a more planned conservation, right? So, listing endangered species, providing information on national parks, promoting deforestation, identifying invasive species. So, it is listing endangered species. It lists down all the species that are endangered, right? Which of the following is a consequence of deforestation? Consequence of deforestation. Increased rainfall. Will there be increased rainfall if there is deforestation, if there is a lot of trees cut, right? It will hurt the water cycle and there will be disruptions in rainfall. Decreased soil erosion. Alright, so soil cover will be lost because trees have been uprooted. Loss of habitat for wildlife. Enhanced oxygen production. So it is loss of habitat for wildlife. Okay, if there is deforestation, there will be more soil erosion, increased soil erosion, and there will not be increased rainfall, there will be decreased rainfall, right? Enhanced oxygen production, no. Loss of habitat for it. Which of the following is not a threat to wildlife? Habitat loss, poaching, wildlife conservation programs, pollution. So it is C, wildlife conservation programs. So if I am conserving something, how will it be a threat, right? Habitat loss is a threat. Okay, they are losing their homes. Poaching means hunting, dying. Pollution, yes, they will not be able to, live in their natural environment. So wildlife conservation programs is not a threat to wildlife. Which of the following is an example of an endemic species in India? Alright, an endemic species. Indian peacock, African elephant, American bison, European rabbit. So this is a very simple question. Endemic species in India. What are endemic species? They are restricted to a particular place, right? So in the names of all these animals and birds, they have given the places that where they are found. So India, Indian peacock. Indian peacock is an endemic species that is for us, right? Which of the following is an example of a national park in India? Right? Which of the following is an example of a national park in India? Yosemite National Park, Serengeti, Periyar, Great Barrier Reef National Park. This is in Australia, right? C is Periyar. Periyar is in India, so Periyar National Park. Which of the following is not a method of conserving wildlife? Not a method of conserving wildlife. Wildlife sanctuaries, conservation breeding, habitat destruction, national parks. Alright, so it is not a method of conserving wildlife. Okay, habitat destruction. If I am losing habitat, how will I conserve the wildlife? Which of the following is not a method of conserving plants? Okay, afforestation, reforestation, pollution, seed banks. So pollution is not a way of conserving plants because pollution will lead to dying of plants. What is the purpose of a wildlife sanctuary? The purpose of a wildlife sanctuary is to promote hunting activities, to promote wildlife and their habitats, to encourage deforestation, to cultivate endangered species. Okay, to cultivate endangered species. Alright, no, to protect wildlife and their habitats. What is cultivate endangered species? Means promoting endangerment. Alright, I want to protect the wildlife and their habitats. Which of the following is an example of an endangered species? Again, that is a lion. Over here, okay, it is the same. So that will be all for the example session. I hope you liked it. Thank you.